Hi students, I am Sonia from Vidya Guru. We are starting a session on current affairs. If you like the session, you can press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whichever video we upload, you can get the benefit of it. You will get the notification of the same video. All those videos which we upload are actually very beneficial for the competitive exams. I am not referring to one particular competitive exam. Why? Because they are useful for all the competitive exams. Alright, we are starting with the 15 questions. They are very, very important. Believe me, you have to study from the very first point. Stay put, stick to the video. You have to watch the video till the end because at last I will be actually getting the revision done. That revision is very important for you. Alright, let's start from the very first point. That's Borut Pahor has become the president of. Borut Pahor has become the president of Slovenia. Keep the name in your mind. He became the president of Slovenia. As the name is a little different for you guys, but you can keep it by reading the name twice or thrice. I said Borut Pahor became the president of. Borut Pahor became the president of Slovenia. He got re-elected. I should say that. He got re-elected. But I have to say that the new president is Borut Pahor. Re-election, I'm not actually using that sort of term. I'm just telling you the name so that easily you can keep the name in your mind. Slovenia's new president, that's Borut Pahor. The second question, that's Manushi Chhillar. You have heard a lot about this girl now. A very famous, girl. She has achieved, she has actually become the Miss World. But the title was obtained at a place. The place was Sanya, China. That is why I've written Manushi Chhillar wins Miss World 2017 in. That means we are talking about the title, the pageant that she won. She won at Sanya, China. That's the name of the place where she got this title. She belongs to Haryana. This question can be important too. See, you guys are familiar with the name, but such questions are pretty different. Why? Because, see, the name is important, I agree, but you are familiar with the name. I'm telling you something new about her. That's, she is from Haryana. And the second thing, she won this title at Sanya, China. Alright, the next question. Winner of Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2017. I've written it like that, but the complete name of this prize is Indira Gandhi. You need to write the complete name. Because of the space constraint, I've written it like that. You need to write it completely. That's Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development. Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development 2017 was given to Mr. Manmohan Singh. Was given to Mr. Manmohan Singh. Keep the name in your mind. Mr. Manmohan Singh got this award. Mr. Manmohan Singh got the award Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development 2017. The next question is ASEAN India Summit. ASEAN India Summit 2017 venue. Indian delegation, who was actually the delegate of India, that was Mr. Modi himself. He was the delegate of India, he was representing India. I am saying ASEAN India Summit. Venue was Manila, Philippines. Venue was the venue was Manila, Philippines, and the Indian delegation was done by Mr. Modi himself. Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister Modi himself. Moody's upgrades India's credit rating too. Alright, you've heard the name Moody. That's Moody. Moody is the name of the International Credit Agency. They provide credit ratings to the nations. They provide, Moody's, I'm referring to the company, the credit agency. They provide credit ratings to the nations, to the countries. If we refer to India, as we are, going to talk about India only. So India's credit rating, how believable a country is, how credible the country is, so the credit ratings are provided. So the credibility of the country, India, moved from Baa3 to Baa2. First of all, the first question is, okay, this is basically the credit rating given to the nations. Earlier, India was on Ba3, Baa3. Now, we have moved up from Ba3 to Ba2. And earlier we got the status of positive, now we got the title of stable. Bar 2 stable, that's the credit rating of our country, India's rating given by Moody. Moody is the international credit agency. They provide credit ratings to the nations, how believable a nation is. So the credibility of India moved from bar 3 to bar 2. Alright, let's move to the next question. That's MBACS 2017 venue. So when we start talking about MBACS, I need to tell you the expanded form of it. That's India. You need to write it down, the complete name as well, the expanded form of it. That's India, Myanmar, bilateral army exercise. Repeating it for you. India, Myanmar, bilateral army exercise 2017. Venue, Meghalaya. The venue was Meghalaya. Alright, MBACS, that's an army exercise. That's an army exercise 2017 and the venue was Meghalaya, between India and Myanmar. The next question is Emmerson Mnangagwa. Emmerson Mnangagwa, the new president of Zimbabwe. The new president of Zimbabwe, the question is important, rather very, very important. Alright, Robert Mugabe. Robert Mugabe, you can say that he was the president for ages, as in he stayed there, he remained the president of Zimbabwe for many years. Now, the remarkable thing is that he could replace Robert Mugabe. Who could replace Robert Mugabe? That's Emmerson Mnangagwa. Emmerson Mnangagwa, he became the new president of Zimbabwe. Emmerson Mnangagwa is the new president of Zimbabwe. Emmerson Mnangagwa, and he replaced Robert Mugabe. Alright. The next question is Indian re-elected as judge in International Court of Justice. ICJ, International Court of Justice, and International Court of Justice. The headquarter of ICJ is in the Hague, Netherlands. Hague, Netherlands. I'm referring to that International Court of Justice. And the delegate of India, that was Dalveer Bhandari. That was Dalveer Bhandari. He got re-elected as the judge. If you talk about Indian delegation as the judge, that was done by Mr. Dalveer Bhandari, and he got re-elected as the judge in ICJ. So I'm writing the name of the person, that's Dalveer Bhandari. Mr. Dalveer Bhandari, he got re-elected as the judge in International Court of Justice. The next question is MSME, that's micro, small, medium enterprises. Micro, small, medium enterprises sentiment index launched by CRISIL and SIDBI. When we start talking about CRISIL and SIDBI, if you know something about them, I'm going to explain it further. CRISIL is the credit agency and SIDBI is the Development Bank for Small Industries. That's what the name says. That Small Industries Development Bank. So Development Bank for Small Industries and Credit Rating Agency both have launched MSME Sentiment Index, and the name of that MSME Sentiment Index is that's CRI SIDEX. Why did I highlight these letters? Because these are the initials. Alright. CRISIL, CRI, SIDBI, SID, that's index. CRISIDEX, that's the name of the index launched by CRISIL and SIDBI. MSME Sentiment Index. Alright, the next question is winner of Under-19 Asia Cup Cricket Tournament. Under-19 Asia Cup Cricket Tournament won by Afghanistan by beating Pakistan. Won by Afghanistan by beating Pakistan. Alright, the next question is winner of World Billiards Championship 2017. World Billiards Championship, Pankaj Advani is very famous. We know about him. So we are obviously going to talk about him. He is the winner. He won World Billiards Championship 2017. Writing his name, that's Pankaj Advani. And Pankaj Advani won this World Billiards Championship by beating Mike Russell. His rival actually. So World Billiards Championship won by Pankaj Advani. So Arvind Modi task force set up to review IT Act 1961. Students, as we can read the name, Income Tax Act 1961. You can understand that things have become pretty old. Now we need to modify them according to the present scenario, according to the present condition. So we need to bring some change into it. To review that IT Act, Income Tax Act 1961, just to bring changes, just to modify it according to the present situation, Arvind Modi task force has been created. So he is going to lead that front. Where IT Act 1961 will be reviewed and changes will be brought. Arvind Modi is going to review. He is going to head that task force which is going to review IT Act, Income Tax Act 1961. Next question is country with highest per capita income. What is that PCI? That's per capita income as per World Economic Outlook report. You need to keep 2-3 things in your mind. The first thing is that World Economic Outlook report is, the first question is, World Economic Outlook report is prepared by IMF. When we say that IMF prepare World Economic Outlook report, you need to keep one more thing in your mind, that's per capita income. See, the answer of this question is Qatar. Country with highest per capita income, the answer is Qatar. That's the first question. When we start talking about the third question, that's India. Got the rank 126th. India's rank 126th out of 200 nations. That was the third question. Alright, the first question was World Economic Outlook report is prepared by IMF. The second question was highest per capita income of the nation Qatar, and India's rank 126th. Alright, let's move to the next question. That's Universal Children's Day is observed on 20th November. Understand these words. Universal Children's Day is observed on 20th November. Universal, emphatically saying that often. Universal Children's Day is observed on 20th November. West Bengal gets geographical indications tag for Rasgulla. Rasgulla, as we all are famous with the sweet, that's Rosogoulla. Rasgulla. If a place is famous for a thing, for any particular thing, like Darjeeling tea, that's the famous term. That is also a geographical indication. So one place becomes famous for one thing, that gets the GI tag for it. So that GI tag for Rasgulla was given to West Bengal as well. Let's start the revision. Stay put. Borut Pahor became the president of Slovenia. Sanya, China. Manushi Chhillar won Miss World title at Sanya, China. Winner of Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development, Mr. Manmohan Singh. ASEAN India Summit, Manila, Philippines. Moody's upgrades India's credit rating from BA3 to BA2. India, Myanmar, bilateral army exercise 2017 venue, Meghalaya. Emerson Mnangagwa is the new president of Zimbabwe. Indian re-elected as judge in International Court of Justice, that's Dalveer Bhandari. MSME Sentiment Index launched by CRISIL and SIDBI, that's CRISIDEX. Winner of Under-19 Asia Cup Cricket Tournament, Afghanistan, by beating Pakistan. Winner of World Billiards Championship, Pankaj Advani, by beating Mike Russell. Arvind Modi task force set up to review IT Act 1961. Country with highest per capita income As per World Economic Outlook report, Qatar, India is ranked 126. When you wish to calculate per capita income, you need to divide GDP with population. All right. Universal Children's Day is observed on 20th November, and West Bengal gets geographical GI geographical indications tag for Rasgulla. Wrapping it up. Thank you so much.